Hello guys, I am Ritika from Buddy Developers. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Astra theme and GeoDirectory. In this video, we will see how to develop the listing details page of our directory website. But before we start this, let's make some changes to the archive page and search page we created in the previous video. First, we will fix the design of the top section a bit. For this, first we will come to the WordPress dashboard, then GeoDirectory, and then settings. Coming on to pages, click on the action button of archive page. Click edit. We will drag and drop a full size container and select the first option. Then click on this three bar icon. Then open the bottom container. Then this first container. Then we will drag and drop archive title into the archive container. Then center align the archive title. Then add color to the background container. Coming on to style, then click on background type and then choose the color. We are choosing blue. And we will keep the title color white. Add margin below the container. For that, click on this container. Coming on to style, click on spacing. We will change bottom margin to 30.
उसके बाद हम इसको सेव कर देंगे.
Then coming on to the front page, we will refresh it. Now we can see our archive page title is centrally aligned. Now we will add padding. Change top and bottom paddings to 20 each. Then we will save it. Then coming back to archive page, we will again refresh it. Now we will add this search bar under archive title. Now we will drag and drop GD search block and place it under archive title. Now we will save it and refresh it on the front page. So now our page looks like this. Now the upper section of our archive page looks good. So now we need to add pagination. Since if we add more listings, we can navigate to next page. We will be keeping this option under 12 listings. So on each page, after 12 listings, we can change the page. For this, add paging under GD loop. For this, click on plus icon, then write loop paging, then drag and drop the loop paging block below the listings. So now we have added our pagination. Now we will save it. Then coming back to the archive page, we will refresh it. So now our pagination is added. So similarly, we will be designing in our search page. For this, go to search editor page. Then click on the three bar icon. So now we will be designing the title. For this, coming back to GD archive and copying the container, click on the three dots of container and then click on copy. Then coming on to search page, click on add after, then paste it here. Now we will be removing the archive title and we will be adding this search title by drag and drop, placing it on center alignment. We will change the color to white from style. Similar to archive, we will be adding pagination. In order to add pagination under GD loop, click on this plus icon, write loop paging, then drag and drop it, and then we will save it. Then we will come on to our search page and then refresh it. So now you can see search archive title and search bar are added here. But here another search bar is also added, so we need to remove it. For this, coming back to our editor page and remove the search box container from here. Then we will again save it. Coming back to search page again, we will refresh it. So now it looks good. And pagination can also be seen below listings. So now let's design our listing page. So by default it looks like this. So for that we need to go into WordPress dashboard, then in GeoDirectory settings, then click on pages, then click on action button of details page and then click edit. So first of all we will take a container by clicking on the plus icon. Choose the 2-column container. In first column will be our posts. For that we will again click on the plus icon and we will browse post title. Then we will drag and drop. Then we will design it. Click on design, then font size as H2. We will keep the font color dark. In the right column we will add post rating. For that we will type again post rating and we will drag and drop. We will change the alignment to right. We will take one more column below this, and for this we will take one more container in it. In this we will add post images. So for this we will add it, then we will drop down. It's on to us how we want to show post image. We are opting for slider. We will select output type as slider. We will keep link as blank, then open show advanced settings. Then we will change image limit to 12 and show limit to 2. So now in order to check it, we will save it. Then coming on to our archive page, click on any of the listing. So now we can see our post title as well as post rating. So now we will change the slider to full length. For this, we will again go to editor page, 3-bar icon, click on its main container, change content width to full width. Then coming on to style and then spacing, we will change the padding to 0. Then we will save it. Then coming on to output, we will refresh it again. So now we can see that it has come in full width. Now we will see the bottom part of this, which will be the body content. So for that, coming back to editor page, to add body content below this, for that click again on the plus icon, then click on container, drag and drop the container, then select the 2-column container which has left column wider as compared to right column. In first column we will be adding tab, so for that we will be searching tabs and then drag and drop it. Then coming on to right side settings, click on advanced settings, then coming on to output type, change it to head only. Then click on this 3-line bar icon and off it. Then going on to single tabs, we will duplicate it. Then selecting the bottom one, we will come on to its settings. Then we will change the head only to body only. Then we will change the output to show as a list. Change the tab style to pills. Then click on save. Coming on to front end again, we will refresh it. So these are the details of our left side. If we will click on image, we can view image. If we click on map, we can see maps. Same thing is implemented for review. Then we will add now the details of the listing are the details of listing business owners. Coming back to the editor page, click on plus icon, then type GD author, then drag and drop, then click on this 3-line icon, GD author container under the left container. For this we need to add one more block again. For that, click on plus icon, then type GD output location, then drag and drop. Now save and check it in the output after refreshing it. Now coming on to container settings, coming on to general settings, click on layout, change the align items, then save it. Then coming back to the front end, we will refresh it. Now our page looks good. In the center there is too much gap. For that, coming back into rows in which there is our container. So we will drag and drop and remove the container from inside it. And we will delete this row from here. Now we will save it once. Then we will refresh it from here. Now it looks good. So now to enhance it, we will add block shadow into the left container. So it will look more good. So coming back to editor, coming to the container settings, style, then on box shadow, then click on box shadow. Then change its padding. We will be increasing its padding to 20. And we will change border radius to 10. And then we will save it. And then we will come to our front page and refresh it. Now our page looks like this. Now if we want, we can add block shadow to our right container also. For this we will come back to the container, applying the same thing, border radius 10. Select first option from the box shadow. Coming on to spacing, we will change padding to 20. Then we will save and go to output. We will refresh it and see how it looks now. So now it looks like this. You can make changes according to yourself. So now our detailed page is ready. All the contents which we have added, the columns which we have added, listings, can be seen on this page along with the details of owner. So now we will see that the listings in the archive page can also be edited. So for this we will be going again to WordPress dashboard, opening it into new tab, coming on to geo directory and then settings, then click on to pages, then going on to action button of archive item page, then click on edit page. So now from here we can change the archive items also. So we will click on this 3-bar icon. Clicking on to item, many options have opened on the right side. We can change the image line. We can change the image type, image line from here accordingly. We are selecting post from the image link. Then click on image badge top left. We have chosen none here. Other such options of bodies design, title designing, circling image, from where you can give a circle finish to the author's image. Coming on to filters, left side is rating and right side is business time. So for item 1 rating, we want to show the output with icon as well as label value. And for item 2, that is business hours, we want to show the output for this as well as label value. Now we will save it. Coming back to the front page, and now we will refresh it. The last part will be add listing page. So we will be creating it in next episode. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.